Day after day, I must face a world of strangers right down below. I'm not that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to, or always there. You're always there when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest my dreams won't come true, I can take all the madness the world has to give, that I won't last a day without you. You are the one who makes me happy when everything else turns to gray. Yours is the voice that wakes me mornings and sends me out in the day. You are the one of the saints quiet listening to me and all the nonsense that I made. You're the one of the few things worth remembering. And so all two are true. How could anyone be more to me than you?